Hey there, my cosmic friends. Quick question for you. Have you ever felt like the universe was nudging you towards something amazing, but you couldn't quite put your finger on what it was? Well, December's got some big energy coming your way, especially if you're a Taurus. Before we dive into the juicy details of what the stars have in store, I want you to do two things for me. First, if you're vibing with this kind of content, give this video a big thumbs up. It's like sending good karma straight into the cosmos. And second, drop your biggest dream in the comments. Let's manifest together, because, trust me, this month's energy is potent for turning dreams into reality. Alright, are you ready to see what December has planned for you? Let's go! So, Taurus, here's the deal. December kicks off with Venus, your ruling planet, in Sagittarius. What does that mean for you? Well, it's all about expanding your horizons. This isn't just about physically traveling, though if you've been craving a getaway, the timing couldn't be better. It's also about exploring new ideas, meeting new people, and saying yes to opportunities you might normally overthink. Have you been feeling like life's been a little too predictable lately? This is the universe's way of shaking things up in the best way possible. Now, here's the plot twist. Around the middle of the month, on December 12th, there's a supercharged new moon in Sagittarius. This is huge, especially for your 8th house, which is all about transformation, deep connections, and yes, even a little mystery. It's like the stars are giving you permission to reinvent yourself. So, what's something you've been wanting to let go of? A fear? A bad habit? This new moon is the perfect time to hit the reset button and embrace a fresh start. As we move toward the latter half of the month, Capricorn season rolls in on December 21st. This energy feels so grounding and stable, which, let's be honest, is exactly your vibe. For you, Capricorn season lights up your 9th house of learning and adventure. This could mean diving into something new. Maybe you'll start a course, pick up a skill you've been eyeing, or even make progress on a long-term goal. Have you been dreaming about stepping outside your comfort zone? This is the time to do it. And don't even get me started on December 27th, when Mercury finally goes direct after what feels like the longest retrograde ever. If communication's been messy or plans have been falling through, things will finally start to smooth out. It's like the universe giving you the green light to move forward with clarity. So, Taurus, December is basically setting you up to grow, expand, and transform. But here's the thing, the energy is there, but it's up to you to use it. Are you ready to embrace the magic this month is offering? If this resonated with you, hit that like button to let the stars know you're paying attention. And remember, share your wildest dreams in the comments below. Let's put that energy out there and manifest together. I mean, who knows? Maybe December is the month those dreams start coming true. Stay grounded, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.